Flavors Fam. Crispy garlic roasted potatoes. These are indeed very delicious and simple to make, and are a great anytime snack. Add 5 to 6 cups of water in instant pot. Put instant pot steamer basket and put baby potatoes in the basket. Close lid. Set instant pot on pressure cook mode for 5 minutes. Release pressure manually. Boiled baby potatoes are ready. Keep them aside. Add olive oil, coriander leaves, black pepper, garlic cloves, and salt. Mix well. Vegan garlic herb spread is ready. Put boiled potatoes on a sheet. Squash potatoes gently using a cup. Apply garlic herb spread generously on potatoes. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Crispy garlic roasted potatoes are ready. Add Greek yogurt, dill leaves, lemon juice, and salt. Mix well. Yogurt dill dip is ready. Smash the like button if you like this recipe video. For more recipes, subscribe Flavors Family.